More news coming in. CAG bombshell to explode in the Delhi Assembly. Only one CAG report is going to be tabled today. Performance audit report on regulation and supply of liquor in Delhi. And that's the CAG report which is going to be tabled in the Assembly today is what we're learning. Remember, there are as many as 14 reports that talks of various irregularities in various schemes of the Delhi government. The one involving the liquor policy is the one that is going to be tabled today is what we are learning. Going to go straight across to Shreya for more on that. Shreya, what more can you tell us about this one report on the liquor scam that's going to be tabled and the reason why the others will not be tabled today?
Well, this was something that the BJP has been harping since the election began, that the liquor policy CAG report was deliberately not tabled during the Aam Aadmi Party regime. Now, this is an audit report on the performance of the liquor policy that came into existence between 2021 and 2022. We've already seen a host of action from the agencies on this irregularities and cartelization of the liquor policy that was initiated in 2021 to 2022. Now, there is an audit report which will also be drawing a comparison factor on what the existing liquor policy was providing and what were the changes that were made in order to highlight that how this liquor policy was framed to ensure cartelization. Just to give you a brief understanding on it, Sneha, the audit report essentially speaks about that how the monopolization was done through giving the larger chunk to the wholesalers and not the manufacturers. For example, in this liquor policy, the wholesalers had the advantage of tying up with more than one manufacturer. But if a manufacturer has to tie up, he can tie up with only one wholesaler. So that is one of the findings of this audit report. Apart from that, they also talks about it how the annual fee of the wholesalers were only 5 crore, irrespective of the number of brands that they were selling. So essentially that was moving away from the existing liquor policy, which suggested that on the brands, which is an IMFL or FL brand, whatever you're selling, depending on that and your performance, the annual fee has to be paid. Essentially, if we go into the detail, we look that 70% of the bulk selling of the alcohol came from only 3 wholesalers. That directly pointed out how this liquor policy was framed to benefit a few, and this was actually a misadvantage or a skewed system so far as the small businesses were concerned. So in a detailed report, there will be comparisons drawn on the audit that has been performed on the liquor policy that was introduced, and today that will be tabled in detail. So definitely this is a disturbing time for the Aam Aadmi Party. They've already faced action so far as the CBI and ED is concerned, but this will be coming out with exclusive details of a performance on the liquor policy and how it caused loss to the exchequer.
Absolutely.